got to get that gas tank up in there. Just swapped out the pump, making sure it's right.
Force it back up. If it drops, I would force it back up, right?
Staying away from the 46.
Here we have the truck at about 95% done. All I'm really missing is rock sliders and a winch for that front bumper. Lots of little things have been happening, as you've seen in the pictures and the video. Flooring in, we have vinyl floor, fire extinguisher. I still have some miscellaneous things to button up around the steering column, fuse panel over there, but it's looking pretty good. Pretty happy with how the interior turned out. Still got to get the plates that go down through there. Cut the fenders out the other day. I have a small rust spot right there to repair. Back turned out very well. All the stock stuff put back in it out of Sarge 1.0. Tomorrow we're taking it to the trails. First time it's been off-road. Got the fenders cut out just in time for this. But yeah, this will be my second video for the truck. Stay tuned for the third video at Holly Oaks tomorrow. Thanks, guys.